In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AI social media posts with ChatGPT in a simple step-by-step way. If you want to make better captions, save time, and come up with post ideas faster for Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, or any other platform, this tutorial is going to be a game changer for you. And if you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. The first step is to open ChatGPT and provide it with two essential pieces of information: the platform you want to post on and the topic you want to cover. Now, this is really important because the more specific you are, the better the results will be. Instead of making a vague request like, write a post, try saying something like, create an Instagram post about fitness motivation. That single sentence gives ChatGPT clear directions. It knows the platform and the topic, which means it can start generating content that resonates more with your audience. Once you've provided the platform and the topic, the next step is to add details about the tone and the audience. This is where your post starts to sound more natural and targeted. You can tell ChatGPT exactly how you want the post to feel. Perhaps you want it to have a fun and energetic vibe, or maybe you prefer something that's professional and clean. You could even go for an emotional and inspiring tone. At the same time, think about who the post is for. You might say make it catchy for a young audience using emojis, or write it for business owners in a formal tone. This nuance is crucial as it helps ChatGPT shape the message in a way that resonates better with the people you're trying to reach. Now on to the third step, generating multiple post variations. This is one of the most exciting parts. Instead of just getting a single result, you can ask for a variety of options to compare and choose from. A prompt you might use is, give me 5 variations with captions and hashtags. This way, ChatGPT gives you multiple versions to work with, making it much easier to select the one that aligns best with your brand. You might find one caption features a strong hook that grabs attention, while another might come off as more conversational, and yet another may have hashtags that are just right for your audience. After generating those options, the fourth step is refining and customizing the results. This is where you take the AI-generated output and enhance it further. If the content feels a bit too long, feel free to ask ChatGPT to shorten it. If you think it could use a stronger opening line, you can request it add a hook. Or, if you want something that really pops and grabs attention, you might say, make it viral style. This back-and-forth refinement is what makes ChatGPT so useful. You aren't stuck with the initial draft. You can keep improving it until it sounds exactly how you want it. A great tip here is to keep experimenting with different prompts. If one version seems too generic, try adding more detail. If it feels too formal, don't hesitate to request a more casual tone. And if it lacks personality, you can instruct ChatGPT to make it punchy, engaging, or more emotional. The more guidance you offer, the better your final post will turn out. This approach is fantastic for content creators, marketers, business owners, and anyone wanting to post consistently without burning hours on content creation. So let's recap the simple formula for creating effective AI social posts. First, tell ChatGPT the platform and topic. Second, specify the tone and audience. Third, ask for multiple variations. And fourth, refine the best one until it's ready to go live. Once you get the hang of this process, creating AI social posts turns into a quick, enjoyable task, rather than a daunting chore. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more valuable AI and productivity tips, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.